Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you analysis and designing of 10-story apartment building by using StatPro V8i software. So I was already explained my floor plan in my previous video. Please follow that video for planning of this respected 10-floor apartment building. I will provide you that video link in above card link. You can follow that video from here. Okay, in this video I will explain you analysis part as well as your designing part for this respected 10-story apartment building by using StatPro V8i software. So initially we need to click on the StatPro software. So click on the new project here, select the spacing option. So here I am selecting the T-shape irregular building. So select your folder as per your format. So save your length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. Click on next button, click on finish button. The software will be open here like this. So initially we need to keep the structure in front of you. So basically for modeling of 10-story apartment building, initially we need to model the ground story. So initially I will model the structure below the plinth level for this respective structure initially. So for that, initially go to geometry here, click on run structure wizard option. So here I am selecting the frame models which is consisting of bay frame, and we have to assume the length of the building. As per the plan, just I am taking the distance of x direction as 30.0456 meter. Again I am taking the depth of the foundation is 3 meter. Now I am taking the width of the building is 31.655. Okay, so after that we have to enter the number of bays along length direction distance here. So as per the plan, just it will be consisting of 6 number of bays in length direction distance, and height direction distance will be consisting of 1 here. Again in width direction distance it will be consisting of 7 here. So after that we have to click on this respected 3 dots option. Now we have to enter the length values for this respected 30 meter. So first length will be consisting of 5.3850, and second length will be consisting of 4.27 here, and third length will be consisting of 5.845 here, and fourth length will be consisting of 4.885 here. So this is the center to center distance between the column. I was already explained this respected center to center distance between the column in my previous section. You can check in that PDF plan. Okay, so now we have to take the last center to center distance is 5.3856 here. Click on OK option. So after that we have to select the 3 dots which are related to this respected width direction. So here I am selecting the width direction 3 dots. So here we have to assume the length here. First bay length will be consisting of 4.115 here, and second bay length will be consisting of 3.54 here, and third bay length will be consisting of 4.115. Again next bay length will be consisting of 5.23 here. Again next bay length will be consisting of 5 here. Again next bay length will be consisting of let us consider it as 4.27 value. 4.27 is this respected distance value, and last bay length will be consisting of 5.385 here. So after that click on OK option, click on apply option. Now the model will be open here like this. So now we have to import this respected floor plan which is of plinth level beam to the StatPro software. Click on cancel option, click on S button, click on OK. Okay, so after that we have to click on this respected 3 dots. So now we have to keep the structure in top view. Now here for this respected structure we have to delete all unnecessary things for this model. Okay, so for that initially I am selecting all my unnecessary things here. Okay, so here I am selecting this respected options. Again I am selecting this respected options here like this. Okay, again I am selecting left hand side section options here like this. So after that click on delete option, click on OK. So it will delete all your unnecessary things, beams, sections, column section for this model here. Now the model is designed with here like this. Now we had to copy the beam sections to the first story. Okay, first floor. So for that initially we need to keep the structure in front of you. So this is the level which is below the plinth for this respected ground story. So now I am selecting this beam section, go to copy option. Again I am selecting paste beams which is in y direction condition with the distance as 3 here. Again we have to select front view here. So now initially we need to select this respected node cursor. So we have to select all the nodes. We need to connect this respected nodes with column sections. So go to geometry here, click on connect beams along y-axis. So it will connect all your columns here like this. Now we have to create remaining 9 stories for this building. So initially, before going to creating the 9-story structure, initially we need to add the slab section for this story. Okay. So initially front view, click on front view, cut section command, select view option, click on OK. So here we have to cut the first story for this respected building. Now we have to add the 4 node plate, select 4 node plate option, select first point, second point, third point, fourth point. Again in the same way we have to add the 4 node plate for the respected remaining structure also. So after that, click on escape option. Now we have to click on whole structure command here. Now select the front view, select all the beams and column section at the first story. So after that, we have to copy this respective property to the remaining 9 stories. So transitional repeat, which is in y direction, number of steps are 9, each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So after that, we have to select the front view again we have to select the slab section here. Now we have to select the slab here like this. Again click on whole structure. Now we have to click on the transitional repeat, which is in y condition, number of steps are 9 here, and each step will be consisting of 3 meter here. So it will copy your respected slab section to the remaining stories. Now we have to see this respected model in rendering view. So click on 3D rendering view option. So this is a 3D rendering view for this respected 10-story apartment building, which is consisting of T-shaped irregular model. Okay. So after modeling process completed for this model, we have to add the beam section size, column section size, and slab thickness for this section. So click on general option. So initially we need to define the beam size, column size. Select the rectangle here. So here I am selecting 0.23 cross 0.5 is my column size. Click on add. Again I am adding 0.35 cross 0.23 is the beam size. Click on add. Close option. Now I am selecting the thickness, which is consisting of, let us take it as 150 mm. Add button. Close option. Now here we have to select the property which is related to the column. We have to select beams parallel to y condition. Click on assign to selected beams. Assign yes. Again in the same way we have to select the beams here. Go to select option, beams parallel to x condition. Again I am selecting beams parallel to z condition. Click on assign to selected beams. Assign yes. Now I will select the plate thickness by using assign to view. Assign yes option. So after that we have to assign the supports. Select the supports here. Click on create option. Click on add button, select the front view. Initially we need to select the supports here. So select all the node points at the base, click on assign to selected nodes, assign yes. So after that we have to define the load cases for this respective structure. So for this 10-story apartment building, just I am assuming load cases will be consisting of dead loading condition, live loading condition, seismic loading condition, as well as your wind loading condition. So for 10-story apartment we need to go with dynamic analysis, which is related to the response spectrum analysis. So for that reason only just I am continuing with this respected model for response spectrum analysis case. Why? Because we need to study the values which are related to the time period values as well as frequency. That is only possible with the response spectrum analysis. So initially go to click on load cases and define option here. Select the definitions here. Select the seismic definitions initially. So here I am selecting the seismic definition. Click on add. So select your IS code. Click on generate option. Now here we have to select the city or zone. So here I am selecting zone, which is comes under your high seismic zone. Why? Because if you design any one of the building in high seismic zone, that will be safe in remaining cases. So that's why we need to go with this respected response spectrum methodology in high seismic zone. Okay. Now I am going with all general buildings, which is consisting of medium soil condition, and 0.05 is the damping ratio. Click on generate option. So it will generate the parameters here like this. So after that click on the add button. Now initially we need to add the self weight. So after adding the self weight, we need to add the member weight, which is related to the uniform load of the beam. So here as per this building design, we are considering the beam size will be consisting of 0.23 cross 0.35. We have to multiply this respected value with 25 unit weight of RCC. So it will give the intensity of 2.0125 values here. Click on add. So after that click on close option. Now select this respected value. We have to select beams parallel to X condition. Again we have to select the beams parallel to Z condition. Click on assign to selected beams option. Assign yes. So after that we have to select the wind definitions here. Click on add. Now initially we need to select add one. select type 1 wind 1, add here. So initially we need to calculate this respected value as per the problem statement. So here we have to select the code and we have to select the terrain category. Just I am selecting the wind speed of 44 meter per second here. Click on apply. So after that select the main building data. So here we have to assume the building height which is consisting of 33 meter. Why? Because 11 stories we are added with the basement level also. So here I am selecting the meter units. Again we have to enter the length of the building which is consisting of 30 point, let us take as per the definition 30.0456. Again width of the building which is consisting of the respected intensity of 31.655. Click on add option. So after that we have to click on apply. So click on building design pressure, windward facing, click on apply, click on OK. So click on add button with exposure factor as 1, add it, close option. So after that select the exposure 1 here by using assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to define the load case details. Select here, click on add option. Initially we need to add the seismic load. Here I am selecting seismic condition which is related to the earthquake load in X condition. Again I am adding the earthquake load which is in Z condition, which is nothing but your Y condition also. Okay, so after that we have to add the response spectrum analysis case. So here I am adding RSA, add button. So after that we have to select the wind loading condition here. Select here as X, add it. Again I am selecting wind load which is in Z condition. So after that we have to add the dead loading condition. Select it as DL. Again now I am adding the live loading condition which is related to LL, add button, close option. Select the earthquake load which is in X condition, add button. So initially we need to add the self weight, seismic load which is in X condition with a factor 1, add, close. Select earthquake load in Z, add button. Select the seismic loading condition which is in Z condition with a factor 1, add, close. Select RSA here. So click on add. Initially we need to add the self weight in all directions which are related to X direction with a factor 1, again Y direction with a factor 1, Z direction with factor 1. So after that we have to add the member weight which is consisting of the dead load of the beam 2.0125 in all directions like self weight. So here I am adding all direction for this respected response spectrum analysis case. So after adding this we need to add the plate load which is related to your respected plate thickness. So here I am taking 0.15, we need to multiply this respected value with 25. So it will give the intensity of 3.75 here in ZY direction, add button, close option. So after that we had to add the response spectrum definitions here. So click on add, select the response spectra here. So initially we need to select the code as per the Indian standard system and we need to select the combination method as per the combined quadratic combination with the direction as X as well as your Z with the factor as 1 here. Okay, so after that we have to select the soil condition in medium soil condition here. So here I am selecting it as medium soil condition, click on add button, close option. Now select the self weight by using assign to view, assign yes. Select the self weight in Y, assign to view, assign yes. Again select the self weight, assign to view, assign yes. Self weight, again we have to select the uniform load which is related to the beam. So we have to select the beams in X condition. Again we have to select the beams in Z condition. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. Now I am selecting Y direction, assign to selected beams, assign yes, and Z direction, assign to view, assign yes option. Now I am selecting pressure by using assign to view option, assign yes option. So after that we have to select the wind load X condition, click on add. Now here we have to select the wind load which is in X direction with the factor 1 initially. Again we have to add the factor as -1. So after that click on close, select the wind load which is in Z condition, select the wind load option here which is in Z with the factor 1, add button. Again I am selecting -1 factor, add button. Select the dead load, click on add. Initially we need to add the self weight. So by using assign to view option, assign yes. Select the live load here, add option. So here we have to add the floor load which is having the intensity of, let us consider it as -3, which is acting at a distance of 6 meter and this is 33 meter. Click on add, close. So after that select this Y range value. So this is the action of your respected Y range value for this respected building. Okay, so after that we have to add the load combination sections. Select load cases and details, click on add. Select the auto load combination as per the Indian standard code, click on generate here, click on add, click on close option. So after that, go to select the materials, apply your concrete material by using assign to view option, assign yes. So after that, go to analysis and print, add your no print option, close option, go to analyze option, run analysis, save it. So here we have to check for the zero errors for this respected model. So here my model is checking for the zero errors. So here my model is observed with zero errors. Go to post to processing mode, click on done option. So click on apply, click on OK. So this is a deflection diagram for this respected model. So after that, I will show you the shear force diagram. Select Fy. So this is the shear force diagram for this respected structure. Now I will show you bending moment diagram, MZ values. So this is the bending moment diagram. So after that, we have to select the plate load, apply your stress type as absolute pressure. Click on apply, click on OK. So this is the absolute pressure for this respected building due to presence of dead load, live loading condition, and this is the earthquake load X, earthquake load Z, response spectrum analysis case, wind load X, wind load Z direction. Click on animation here, select the deflection values. So click on apply here, click on OK. So this is the deflection of the building due to presence of this respected dead loading condition. So after that, we have to design this respected 10-story apartment building. Now click on modeling option. Initially we need to select the design here. Now select the concrete design. So here we have to pick IS code IS 456. Select the parameters here. Initially it will select all your parameters, but we need to select some parameter from this. Deselect all parameters initially. Select compressed strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum and maximum secondary here. Click on OK. So click on define. So here I am defining this respected grade of concrete is M40 grade and grade of steel is 600 grade steel. Okay, 600,000. Click on add. So after that, select this Fy main. Again it will be consisting of 600,000. So click on add. Maximum main, just I am taking it as 25 mm, add button. Maximum secondary, just I am taking it as 16 mm, add button, close option. Select commands option, select design beam command, add button, design column command, add button, slab element command, add button, takeoff command, add button, close option. Now we have to select this respected question marks, FC by using assign to view, assign yes. Again I am selecting Fy main by using assign to view option, assign yes option. Fy section reinforcement also assign to view, assign yes. Maximum main also assign to view, assign yes option. Maximum secondary also assign to view, assign yes option. Select design beam command. We have to select beams parallel to X. Again we have to select beams parallel to Z. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Again I am selecting design column. We have to select beams parallel to Y condition here. So click on select assign to selected beams, assign yes. Again I am selecting design element by using assign to view, assign yes option. So after that, go to analysis and print option. So click on add button, close option, go to analyze option, click on run analysis, save it. Again we need to check for the zero errors for this respected 10-story apartment building for the designing process. So here my model is observed with zero errors. Go to post processing mode, click on done option. So select your beam. So here I am selecting this respected top beam here, double click on it, click on concrete design. So this is the beam results, which is consisting of 10 bars of 10 mm dia, 200 center to center distance at the top reinforcement, and bottom reinforcement consisting of 10 bars of 10 mm dia, 30 center to center distance, and stirrups will be consisting of 22 numbers for this length of the beam, which is having 8 mm dia, and center to center distance is to 120 mm. So here I am selecting the column, select any one of the column, it will show you your concrete design. But for my respected model of 10-story apartment, it is not showing here concrete design. So you can check with perfect design results if the model is perfect. So as per the considerations of my loading condition, this respected column size is not sufficient. So that's why we need to increase the column sizes, and you can try with another column sizes. It will definitely give you your column design results. Now after this, we have to check the reinforcement details for the respected output file. So click on start output file option. So here we have to select the results here. Select the Eisen solutions. So this is the Eisen solution value for this respected model. So it will be consisting of your time period values as well as your frequency values for this response spectrum analysis. Select the concrete design results. So this is the concrete design results. It will be consisting of each and individual calculation sheet for the respected beam design results. So it will show you your respected column design results in output file, but it is showing that warning here, reinforcement and percentage exceed the maximum limit. So that is here showing this respected column design results, which is nothing but you are taking the column sizes not as per the standard things. Okay, so that's why we need to change the dimensions of the column. So after changing the dimensions of the column, you can apply the same procedure. You can get the column design results. Okay, so this is the process. analysis and designing of 10-story apartment by using StatPro V8i software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will give you answer for that respected question. Thank you.